What the fuck am I about to cook is the question. Yeah, I got no fucking chance. Z ba 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 bo, da da ba ba da bo, be da ba ba da bo. Ooh, it might be chicken or cock. I might be eating cock. It's just chicken with some sort of sauce. Kind of disappointed. I was hoping it was long pig. Now we need some corn. Go. It's rice, but it's fried an egg. What will they think of next? On the plate, little ricey. On the plate, little ricey. Now the rice is warm. We need the special ingredient. Cheese. Lovely decoration. There we have it. Polish chicken, egg fried rice with cheese, and corn. That's my fucking lunch, bitch.